All right, we are going to be doing these following questions. Okay, we are going to solve the following question. Question number 1. We want to solve for x, and we have 1 over 3 e minus x plus 1 plus 4 equals to e. All right, in order to solve for this, you can see that this is an exponential function. So we need this exponential function to be on its own. In order to do so, we take away every other thing to the other side. Okay, so you multiply both sides by 3, then you get okay. That is the first thing to do. Then the next thing is to take away this constant away too. We take away the constant, then we have now here now we can now take the natural logarithm of both sides. Okay, we need this to stand on its own so that when we take the natural logarithm, this can act on the natural logarithm, or the natural logarithm can act on e, and then we get only the exponent or only the power. So taking the natural logarithm of both sides, take the ln of both sides. Take the ln of both sides. Okay, when we take the ln of both sides, we're going to be getting ln of minus plus 1 equals to ln of the whole of this. Okay, this now becomes all right. With this now we solve for x. So minus x give us ln of 3x minus 4 minus 1. Okay, now x becomes, we multiply both sides by negative, then we're going to have 1 minus ln of, okay, that's our answer. So our x is now this. Okay. Okay, the second question, question number 2. We want to also solve for x in this. We want to solve for x. Okay, in solving for x in this, also we need to find the power. What can multiply itself to give us 25? What can multiply itself to give us 625? Okay, we can have 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2 will give us 25. Here, 5 raised to power 4 will give us 625. Okay, with that now we use the law of exponential function, then the law of exponent, and then we get that 530 minus 2x equals to 4x. All right, now we have a base of 5 on the left-hand side, a base of 5 on the right-hand side. They can cancel one another, and then we have 30 minus this equals to 4x, and 30 equals to 6x. Of course, I can rewrite this. So I can rewrite this to give us, I can rewrite this to give us 6x equals to 30, and x equals to 30 divided by 6, which is equals to 5. Okay? All right. Okay, question number 3 we're going to do is that asks us to find the value, of this log 8,512. Log of 512 to base 8. They want us to find the value of this. To find the value of this, we have log 8,512. We need to find what can multiply itself that can give us 8. What can multiply itself also that can give us 512. So that is log 2 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 9. Okay, so you see 2 raised to power 9 give us 512, 2 raised to power 3 give us 8. All right, so we use the law of logarithm. This power can come down, so it becomes 9 log 2 raised to power 3, 2. Now we have already released the power of the log, but what about the power of the base? When we release the power of the log, it just come down to the back of the log, and then it's multiplying the log. Now, when we release the power of the base, it becomes the denominator at the back of the log. So what I mean by that is that now this will now become 9 over 3 log 2, 2. So anytime we have the power in the base, then we can release it to come to the back of the log, but it must be a denominator. It must be a denominator. Okay, let me quickly say e.g. or example. If I say log 2 raised to power 3, 5. Log of 5 to base 2 raised to power 3. This is same thing as 1 over 3 log of 2, 5. It's the same thing as that. So we see the power of the base has come to become a denominator at the back of the log. Okay, that is the rule to use whenever we have the power in the base. Okay, so with this now, we now have our 9 over 3 because log 2, 2 is 1, which gives us 3. Okay, please ensure that you understand.